I'm going to be playing Subway Testing Remastered again. Well, not again, but whatever. So this game you just drive a train or whatever, ride a train around New York. Yeah, it's kind of dead now. This game is pretty dead. What I mean by dead, I still like it. I mean by nobody ever plays it anymore. But they've added a nice feature which has been here for a while. But I think you can actually teleport now. So I'm going to drive a train. Oh, actually, I'm going to drive a bus actually, because buses are better. Buses don't bug out like trains do. Alright, so get on the bus, guys. Let's go. Yeah, this has a, as you see there, that speedo, I think that's completely wrong, because I don't think this bus has 0 to 60 in like 4 seconds. Nah, speedo's correct now, but I don't think I am doing 40 miles an hour, and this bus has a turning radius of a piano. Look, my god, is it? It's like a 1 litre inline one cylinder engine. This bus is like running a motorbike engine. Something is happening. I don't think my bus wants to go over 60 miles an hour. Yeah, it's not really the best bus, but I'm gonna go cause some mayhem. I'll see if I can get on the tracks. That would be sick if I could get on the tracks. Just ram myself on the tracks. That'd be mad, wouldn't it? I'd try it. Yeah, there's some problem with this. I think there's a wheel missing or something. I think that is not meant to be in the right place, because that, I don't think there's a panel cut out like that. What it is? Oh, that's gonna ram into this. Alright, I need a 0 to 60 time of 4 seconds for this. Look at the acceleration though. That speedo must be wrong, because I can't be doing 70 miles an hour that fast. It's ain't, and I'm telling you, that was like 10 miles an hour, not 70 miles an hour. No, can it reverse at 50 miles an hour? Should we check? Should we try it? Yeah, that. I don't think I've ever seen a bus with a steering angle that big. And it don't do anything. So actually, let's drive a train. See if we can run into some idiots on the track. Oh, there we are. That's the first one. Jesus. This game is a bit, yeah, buggy. Okay. Oh no, 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 no. I can't jump over the buffer. Alright. Got it. Oh, he's gonna get just dead. Spawn my train in. Oh, you have to click that, don't you? Yeah, stupid. Very good models on this game, but sadly, it's not really. Alright, so. Oh! Yeah, we've got a problem already. These trains aren't really meant to go on the rails. And they go done. Ah. Something's happening. Oof, that was not good. Right, let's teleport back there. And this time, oh, I've got a music player. There. Ah! It's one bus, oh my god. Yeah. You can. I think it's fair to say that this game ain't really gonna work anymore. Right, now let's go first person view like a proper bus driver with that 2 kilobit sound. Jesus Christ. Right, bacon here, you wanna get on my bus, man? Get on my bus. Yeah, fam. Is there any way of getting out this camera angle now? Yeah. Horsepower! Come off! Why does it have like a 1 litre engine? Like I said, it's got no power, it's got like 1 horsepower. Can I get up? Just about, right. I think this will be our entrance onto the tracks. I doubt it though. Oh, I don't have. 1 sec. Oh, this is where the turning angle is going to be a pain in the bum. I won't be able to get past there. Actually, if I do a 360 no scope. Wait a second. Oh. Beep, beep, beep. I need to get there. I might be able to get my bus through that gap. Maybe, I don't think so, but it might. Oh, that gap looks promising as well. I'm going to try this gap first. Didn't see that. What the hell? Why does it just accelerate forward when I'm reversing? Nah, I won't be able to make it, but I might be able to bug my guest self through. I'm gonna get on the bus. Get on the bus. Get on. Right. This guy's not getting on. He wants to go, doesn't he? Is there a horn? Yeah. Jesus Christ. Is my game bugging out or something? He's about to get hit by a train, isn't he? Is he on the bus? Oh, I need to reverse out. He's trying to get him on the bus. I think it's happening. Is he on the bus? Oh, bloody vision. I think he's on the bus. Bye bye, sucker. I'm gonna open the front door. Wait, get on! Oh, he's not getting on. Oh, he's the wrong side. Right, right, let's go, boys. Only other people on the server. What does he want, to get off or something? Oh, he's paying me, thank you very much. Right. Horsepower! Whoa! Acceleration! It's not doing anything. Ready? Watch that speedo. 30 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour. Oh, as soon as you turn, it just cuts out the engine. And this is how well they can make games, isn't it? Look how well that is. Wow, that is so well in there. Right, now is a massive straight. Come on, let's reach the top speed of this bus. Let's hear that engine roar. 60 miles an hour, come on, 70 miles an hour, UK speed limit. Oh, bloody bumps. So badly they can't make the road. Power. Do you know what? I'm gonna die. Boop. Okay, well then I'll see you later then with my massive fez. Bye bye.